Hi everyone, my name is Rishi. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today we have Karishma, who was a student of Digital Scholar, 3 month digital marketing program in 2019, one of the first batches. And I'm so excited to do an interview with our old alumni. Welcome to the show, Karishma.
Hi Rishi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much. My
So,
pleasure.
Karishma, give us some background about yourself. What do you do? Where you come from, what kind of educational background, and everything about you.
Okay. Currently, I'm a freelancer, digital marketing freelancer. Before, I was working in Amazon as a retail associate. When I was working in a retail associate, I didn't find my core interest into that. Then, when I was scrolling through Facebook, suddenly at 1 a.m., I saw Digital Scholar. We had that course. And I was like, "What is this?" And my basic background was marketing because in 11th and 12th, I opted for marketing. And I had some knowledge, but I didn't have practical knowledge at all. So I thought, let's give it a try, like what Digital Scholar is. Then I contacted Digital Scholar. Then I guess I had contacted you, and you went through all the course details and all that, and seemed to be very interesting. So I left Amazon immediately, and I joined Digital Scholar for 3 months. And after 3 months, I was like, when I started doing, practice and all. And if you remember, I was the lead generation expert for Facebook. Yeah. So I was like, okay, some or the other, like I think my interest is in that. So I was like, okay. Then I started putting my resume as social media expert, social media marketing expert. Then I was like, it didn't work out much, like putting in resume. Then I just posted my reward award what I got from Digital Scholar and like my own page Instagram. From that I got first business. My friend had shared that post to one of my friend, and they were a startup. They were into the clothing field, women's apparel, and
Hmm.
they wanted me to do the social media marketing. When I did that for first 15 days, I was like, will I be able to do it or not? I was very confused. After 30 days, I started seeing results. I was like, wow, it's like really amazing. And even the client was really impressed. Then from referral, I got so many clients. Now I'm handling currently 3 to 4 clients. One
Wow.
is Private Limited, one is clothing, and one is into makeup. So it's quite interesting. Now I can really say, like, I am a digital marketing expert. I will not
Wow.
say digital marketing, maybe I can do social media marketing expert. Yeah.
Amazing. What a journey it has been, right? From being into Amazon, which is an
Yeah.
MNC, you still chose to quit that. People love MNC jobs because of the job security and the perks they have. You still quit that. You went out of the comfort zone and wanted to do something of your own. So was it the entrepreneurial spirit, or what was the actual reason? Monetization is one of the aspects, but what was the other key
The
things that you?
actual reason was in Amazon field, the work was just monotonous, same work. We didn't have any, like excitement to do thrill, adventure, nothing like that. I
Hmm.
was like, from 1 year, I'm working the same thing, and there is no learning as well. So I thought, okay, my interest is basically marketing and digital marketing. And you'll not believe in during lockdown, everyone will like, kya kare and what to do. And I was held up with clients. I was like, once the lockdown was started, everyone wanted to switch their business to online. Then I started helping my father to switch their business to online. Then I was like, okay. Then I started getting clients in the lockdown itself. And my lockdown was just amazing. And it was
Wow.
not boring at all.
Wow.
I was earning in lockdown basically.
Right. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think the lockdown was the best time for digital marketers
Yes.
because not only we got a lot of clients, but it was, it was not never boring for us, right?
No, no.
People were not working, but we were working overtime, actually speaking.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
At
So
11:30, my client used to like, are you done with the ads? Like, what's the response? What's the response? I was like, okay.
amazing. That's the beauty of this field. Work from
Yeah,
anywhere, work anytime,
yeah, exactly.
and that's the way it is.
Yeah.
Now, Karishma, what was you saw the ad for Digital Scholar. What was the best module, or what was the key turning point that you got the confidence that this is it for you? Like while studying at 3 months at Digital Scholar, what were the key modules that you loved?
The main was the practical session that Digital Scholar gave me. Everywhere, in my schooling also, everywhere it was like theory. Obviously, in schooling, they'll not teach me practically. And everywhere it was just theory based. And here I saw something, the main, key was the practical session. Like whatever you learn, immediately we have practical. Let it be Facebook ads, let it be Instagram ads, or let it be anything. So the main thing which I liked about Digital Scholar was the practical session. You had, gone through every module. It was like, not even a theory session was boring for us. Like all the theory session was just amazing with the practical experiences, real time experiences. We literally worked for JCS, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So, that was the thrill, that was the experience we had gone through this 3 months. And it was
Right.
the main thing I loved about the Digital Scholar.
And I remember you did one of the projects where you ran for soap making workshop. Was it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, was it
Yes.
you, right? So we pushed you to do certain ads for yourself. And can you share some insights on what happened with that workshop? And you ran the ad for the first time. You got
Yeah.
leads. What happened? Can you just share some insights?
Yeah. Actually, I think I forgot the tutor name. And like he said me, like, you have to run that. And I was like out of ideas. Like I didn't start anything. What am I supposed to do? And I have interest in making soaps. So I was like, okay, let's run that. I don't think so I'll get much responses, stuff and like that. And I just created a poster. They obvious Digital Scholar taught me how to design also. And I created a poster. Then while doing Facebook ads, and I just posted randomly and through lead generation. You'll not believe overnight, next day morning I saw, and I got almost 40 leads for that.
Wow.
I was like, seriously, like 40 leads was just, and ad costing was also not that too much. It was hardly like 500, I guess. Yeah.
Right.
And the lead was just bomb. Like after, like I got 40 leads and people were like calling me, when is the class? Like, when are you taking soap class? I was like, oh my God. I was like, it was amazing experience for me.
And did you conduct the class or you did not conduct the class? Did
No,
it?
I didn't actually lockdown.
All right.
Due to
Amazing.
lockdown. Like everyone wanted online session. I was like, okay,
Okay.
after lockdown we'll continue.
Superb,
But
superb,
yes, four,
superb.
five students did turn up for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. But yeah, people were interested. So you ran the
Yes,
ad, you got
everybody.
the right people, and then they were interested, but it just did not happen. So,
Yeah.
Karishma, right now you said you're working with almost 4, 5 different clients.
Yeah.
How much revenue you're able to generate from your digital marketing campaigns?
See, monthly I'm earning 1 lakh now.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, I'm earning 1 lakh. During lockdown I used to earn 1 lakh, like 1,50,000, sometimes 2 lakh.
Wow.
Now
Amazing.
I'm currently earning 1 lakh.
Superb. So, yeah, super happy for you, Karishma. Like crazy.
Thank you.
These are really good numbers for for doing something that you love and you're getting paid.
Yes,
Which is yeah, these are like really good numbers for anybody.
yes.
So congratulations.
Thank you.
And for people who are watching this interview, what would be your final say in terms of starting something of your own? Can you share like what are the problems or what are the motivational things that they should be looking forward to start their journey in digital marketing?
Okay. Only one thing I would say, like whoever is watching this interview, like when you have interest, like you have, like age doesn't matter. Basically, age doesn't matter for joining digital marketing or anything else. Like if you're working constantly and you have no interest and you want to change your field, I would say digital marketing is the best thing. You just join for a month, you'll automatically, change your interest into the digital marketing. So I definitely say you must like if you're planning to join like institute, I would recommend Digital Scholar because the way they teach, inch by like word by word through practical sessions, like after 3 months, once you leave the course and you will be the freelancer for sure, or else you'll get placed in an amazing company. Like, yeah, so that's the
Superb.
thing.
Thank you so much, Karishma. All the very best, and thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much,
Take
Rishi.
care,
Thank you
Karishma.
so much. Thank you.